Agent, Benitez looked into Riker's activity and found something interesting.
I've got a line on where Dragov's guys were holding those supplies for Kina, Pier 26. One of our patrols caught sight of Riker's carrying crates in that direction.
We don't have the manpower to secure the pier, but we can't let Keener get those supplies. Guess that's our play for now.
I don't care who you have to step on along the way. Get this done.
Electronic device detected.
Everyone, shut the fuck up! You may have heard rumblings after the bloodbath in Midtown. Yeah, it's true. We lost a lot of good people. People I consider family. What the fuck happened? Keener happened. And unless we play ball, he'll keep happening. Fuck that guy. Let's kill him.
Shut the fuck up, Ron.
I don't like this any more than you. But this is an opportunity for us. And it'll keep us in the good graces of a powerful ally. First things first. We're moving downtown. We're gonna take an enclave in the heart of the financial district itself. What's an enclave?
God damn it, Ron. Shut the fuck up.
This one.
Was I unclear? Don't patronize me, Keener. I'm honestly asking, because you still haven't delivered. You realize...
We can't let Dragov's supplies get to Keener.
Assuming they haven't made it to him already. Hopefully we're not too late. Take a look around. See what you can find.
You guys didn't hear?
Hear what?
Dragov got clipped. Division fucked up everyone in Wall Street.
Serious trauma detected.
They are not getting away like that!
You don't leave that many people guarding an empty building. The Rikers are here for something.
Recent aerial footage shows some chemical spillage on the east side and some Rikers activity on the north. This may be related to Keener's bioweapon.
Scope them both. We'll get to the bottom of this.
Aerosol chemical equipment detected. Immediate medical assistance needed. Agent killed. Aerosol chemical equipment detected. Aerosol chemicals destroyed. Chemical pressure released. Exothermic reaction initiated. Nearby echo detected.
Vexix, but it'll do.
No, it won't. This mixture isn't providing the correct dispersal under pressure.
We're following your instructions. If you need a different chemical ratio, then you need to provide it.
Yeah, that's not what their records say.
Fuck off with that shit.
My instructions. Your guys can't follow them, and get me some who can.
Fuck! Get that reaction under control!
It's not stopping!
Then dump it, you useless fuck!
Looks like you're running a real quality operation here, Dragoff.
Go fuck yourself.
Hate to break in on this little party, but I finished some more analysis of Isaac's data from the Wall Street compound. It's not good. Use cases include aerosol dispersal mechanisms and cultures for growing viruses.
Dragov's helping Keener with his bioweapon. We need to shut this whole operation down. Agent, secure the north side of that pier. Any supplies the Rikers are prepping to send need to go up in smoke. Do not, I repeat, do not let the Rikers get those supplies off the dock.
My shit never fails! Got you! Next one going! See you on the other side! Reloaded, that's all we're gonna follow
Vital signs critical. Agent, vital signs 0.
Ain't got
Fuel pump detected. Fuel pump activated.
I like the way you think, Agent. When that barge is flooded with fuel, it'll be gone in no time.
Not good. Not good at all.
Solid work there, Agent. We've just put a large dent in Keener's bioweapon production. He may believe he's got this wrapped up, but he's got another thing coming.
I'm not so sure. He's had plenty of time to work on this. We may need some outside help, but for now, this is a big win for us.
Rogue agent deceased.
Dragov was a big player in Lower Manhattan. He rallied the Rikers under one banner again and hoarded an abundance of supplies. He's gonna leave a power vacuum behind, and that's something we can exploit.
I'll send in a squad to retrieve the chemicals at the pier. Securing them is a win, but who knows how much Dragov has already provided to Keener.
Agent, we've cracked it. We know where Keener's located. Liberty Island.
Scumbag's been right in the neighborhood this whole time.
Turns out Parnell had a secret backdoor to their comms channels, allowing us to weed out the spoofs. And thanks to the data from all of Keener's agents, we could identify a pattern and isolate a source. Drone surveillance also confirms it. He's definitely on the island.
We'll need to move fast. We can't let him get away this time.
I'll join you on this one, Agent. Meet me at the ferry terminal. It's time to finish this.